Is there still a role for old-fashioned pen and paper in trying a medical malpractice case? Hey everybody, Frank Spector, medical malpractice lawyer. I've been doing this for over 33 years. I've had the privilege of representing thousands of people, helping them get the justice and compensation that they deserve. I was also an adjunct professor at my law school, and I've tried many medical malpractice cases. For young lawyers out there, the gut reaction is that you have to have everything on computer. There has to be computers everywhere. There has to be monitors all over the courtroom. There has to be 3D animations. There has to be AI-generated visual aids, because that's what you think captures the jury's attention. And there's a place for that. I'm not going to say that there's not. There's a role for old-fashioned pen and paper. I still say yes, and here's why. When you are examining a witness, you are in the well. You are in that space between your counsel table and where the judge is, and that's called the well. And you are creating a dynamic between you, the witness, and the juror. You're creating a dramatic effect. Trials are a lot about facts and figures, but they're about to create drama and feeling. And when you're examining a witness, and that witness says something, especially in cross-examination, that's helpful to your case, you have this butcher paper with a pen and you just write it down on that piece of paper. It's simple, but it's so effective. It's effective because it allows you to stay in that area, in the well, and to create and enhance that drama. Because you're going to be animated, you're moving over to the board, you're coming back to the witness. The jurors understand that what that witness said is important information. Now they're seeing it written on the piece of paper. So people ask me, well, what's the difference? Why can't we just do that on a PowerPoint presentation? I don't think you can create the same dramatic effect, because if you get something that's helpful to your case, you go over to your laptop and you start typing and you're looking down like I'm doing now. You're not making eye contact. You're also trying to figure out what button to push. Maybe there's going to be a connection issue. Maybe your laptop is not going to be working properly. Maybe there's a delay. Once all that happens, you've lost the dramatic effect that you've been trying to build. The jury's attention span is gone. It's very hard to get them back. You just have to make sure that your pen has ink in it, but a pen and paper never failed me. And that way I can also rip it off and put it into evidence right away. And that way I don't have to worry about doing something later with my computer because it's right there. But that's really secondary. The most important thing that I'm going to share with you about why pen and paper still has a role is because you can create that dramatic effect. And when that jury feels it and they feel that you're feeling it, I can tell you from having lots and lots of experience, it goes a long way for making your case have a successful outcome. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this information valuable. If you did, take a moment, hit that like and subscribe button, because you can take advantage of all of my videos. I want you to be part of our growing community. We're beyond 8,000 subscribers and growing fast every day. I want you to be part of it. I want you to have all the information that you need. Thanks again for watching. I look forward to seeing you again on a future video.